Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw an aeroplane. Shall we get started?
Definitely.
Let's begin. So we're going to be drawing an aeroplane that's going to be taking off, and we're going to do the engines first. So can you draw a circle there?
Of course I can.
Yeah?
Here? Like that?
Great. And then we're going to move along to about here.
Here?
And then we're going to do another circle there, like that. Okay. Now, can you do a diagonal line like that, and a diagonal line like that? And these are going to be the jet engines. Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to do a curve that way, and a curve that way. Okay, and then I'm going to do a line like that, and a line like that. Okay, so those are the engines. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do a straight line across like that, and a straight line across like that. Okay, so that's the bit of the wing that's connecting. Really good. Okay, now the wings curve up at the tips. Okay, so they kind of lift up a little bit on the edges. So I'm going to draw a diagonal line that way. And then I'm going to draw a diagonal line that way, okay? And then from here, I'm going to join it up to there, like that. And I'm going to do the same here, so we're going to get a skinnier line that way, okay? That's great. And then on these tips, we're going to draw a little triangle, right there and there. Okay, now the tail, we're going to draw slightly diagonal line that way. Really good. And then just here, we're going to do the fin. So we're doing a triangle, kind of like, do a little bit of a diagonal line that way. Yeah, then a line coming up like that. And then a line coming out like that. Really good. Okay, and then what we're going to do is just under this wing, we're going to do two little triangles coming off this here and here, which are kind of like this, I don't know what they're called, aerofoils just underneath the wings. Okay, you done that? Excellent. And then just up here, we're going to draw a straight line going up and then up like that.
Overlapping?
Yeah, so that wing is in front. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a diagonal line. Sorry, let's do a straight line that way. And then I'm going to do a diagonal line coming up from the wing up to there, like that. Okay, and that's the tail. And then I'm just going to do a diagonal line joining up like that. Yeah, are we good?
Mm-hmm.
That's looking fantastic. Okay, so now I need to do a diagonal line from here up to about here. Okay, so from that part of the engine up to there. So something like that. Okay. And then from this side, I'm going to do a diagonal line like that. And then we're kind of going to do like a pointy tip for the cockpit. So I'm going to curve up a little bit like that. Yeah, and then we're going to do a curve joining up like that. Okay, now the bottom half of the aeroplane is kind of like a darker colour, so from here I'm going to draw a straight line up to there. Yeah, and then we're going to do a little curve like that. And then we've also got to do the bit where the pilots look out of. So if I just do a straight line like that. That's all right, just do a straight line, and then we go up and we just do the little windows like that.
One.
Yeah? Now, if it's coming into land, it needs its little wings, it needs its little wheels, doesn't it? So if I kind of start with a line there and there, so that's roughly where the wheels will be. And then I'm going to draw it down like that. Then we'll do a triangle that way, triangle that way. Do a little triangle in like that. And then what we do is we draw one wheel there and one wheel there, and then we'll do that overlap, okay? So we'll do another wheel behind it like that, okay?
Zigzag.
Yeah, okay.
Zigzag.
Yeah, kind of like a zigzag.
No, then you do zigzag.
Oh, that's really good. Yeah, I like that pattern. Okay, so we're pretty much done, okay? What I might do is I might just add a thicker line along that edge and a thicker line along that edge, okay? And then we might need to strengthen some of these lines up, okay? And then we can colour it in. Wow, what an amazing drawing! I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like us. We also want to announce a competition which will be run until the end of September. If you send in a picture to our Facebook page, you could win this amazing
book
of how to draw animals. Post your picture into our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids, and Yuli and our panel of experts will pick a winner. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.
Goodbye.